Wow. White appliances, electronic goods, this is what we think of from a South African context when we think of LG, the brand. But LG has now also landed in South Africa as a flooring brand. Likewise, flooring distributors have brought in LG flooring, LVTs, heterogeneous vinyls, and we're about to find out a whole lot more because LG is not just about electronic appliances.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired.
Kylie!
I'm thinking about
Hello!
Hi.
We are here in a lovely big warehouse, which I hear is only a fraction the size of your Johannesburg warehouse.
Absolutely.
And obviously there's extra warehouses alongside.
Yes.
But you are Kylie, a force to be reckoned with, and the company that you work for is?
Likewise floors.
Likewise Floors. Now, a little bit of a new player in the market, and what do you do?
Sure, everything. We do everything. First and foremost, we have our own direct imports, which
Yeah.
we do LVTs, laminates, SPCs. Then we do wholesaling for Balgotex and Van Dyke carpets. We do screeds, we do accessories, we do rock stools.
Okay, you do everything.
Jack of all trades.
But I hear like you got a couple of brands that sell washing machines or dishwashers or something like that.
Well, it's not actually, but kind of. It's the LG Hausys range.
Tell us a little bit more about LG as a company. Like, you've got a couple of different products from them.
We do.
And you know, my brain is always going towards washing machines, fridges, and that kind of thing. So LG in the flooring game is a little bit unique and, you know, kind of shakes up my traditional thinking.
Absolutely. In South Africa, we've only been exposed to the electronic side of
Yeah.
LG. So it's been the washing machines, the TVs, etc. But actually 60% of LG's entire business is building an interior.
Oh,
so
wow,
that
okay.
consists of like your building cupboards, flooring, the works.
Okay, so they've arrived through Likewise in South Africa with the building products. This is really exciting because they're quite a powerhouse.
Absolutely.
I've seen them at Domatex a couple of times and they've had some really exciting products. So hopefully those are going to filter through the chains as well.
They do LVTs, so your normal dry vac LVTs.
Yep.
And then we have a product called Brights, which we'll be
Right.
doing today.
And that's what we've got in the background here. And this is what I wanted to chat to everyone today about is the Brights Heterogeneous.
Sheet vinyl.
And where do we use this?
I would say in a light commercial area.
Yep.
First of all, I would say for your places like RDP houses, your low income houses, in terms of people that's building up for new developments, governmental, also can be used in boat applications.
Yeah,
because
yeah,
of the
yeah,
waterproof aspect. It's got a resin backing as well, so it's got the stability to be able to be installed there. Play schools, you want to cut up a piece, the kids can play on it. When they're done, take it outside, wash it off, roll it off, and then there we go.
Fantastic. And then this is like what we would also get in like hospitals.
I wouldn't say hospitals per se because of the commercial rating on it. It's only got a light commercial, but perfect for doctors' rooms, small clinics, Medicross centers, things like that. In terms of clientele, it's more of your residential people that's putting it into boats, people that's putting it into trailers, which works very well as well. People that have these caravan homes.
Caravan homes, so like the whole mobile home,
That's
tiny
it.
home living. We love tiny homes. You've got quite a focused range.
Yes.
And the timber look, we've got the typical, you've got a sample swatch
I
there.
do.
So,
You've got your wood looks, which is ultimately your 4 decors in the woods.
yeah.
Then you've got kind of like the bathroom sort of application. So these are nice if you want to put them up against the wall, which they can use as well for wall cladding.
So like a wet room.
Absolutely.
So like a retirement home.
Oh, those are perfect application.
Okay, so especially for like disability and needs, like you've got special rooms that cater for that. These would be absolutely perfect. And you said these are quite easy to install. Is
They
this
are.
a glue down or a loose lay?
It's a glue down application.
Glue
So
down
basically,
application.
with your normal cushion vinyl, you'd have to roll it out and it would make waves.
Yes.
This particular product has got a resin backing into it, so it adds for the stability. So if you see over here, we've rolled it down,
Yep.
and it doesn't have any of that hops in it. So it's kind of roll down, glue, make your glue nice and flat, put it down on the floor, and off you go.
Okay.
It can be hot welded or cold welded, depending on how you want to join it.
So quite versatile in the installation methodology.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. And the wear layer, are we like a 0.3?
0.2.
0.2?
wear layer. Yeah, so that's why we're giving it the light commercial grade, and it's 2 mil thick.
And 2 mil thick. And is this the product that you can wax or that you can do surface treatments?
Unfortunately not. No.
Not.
It's got a PUR coating on it, so basically what that is, a polyurethane resistance. So it gives you a little bit of durability in terms of the UV lighting.
Yes.
And as well as a scratch resistant and slip resistant.
Scratch resistant and slip
Slip
resistant,
resistant.
which is great for a disability type area.
Absolutely,
Or
especially-
buses or such forth.
Yeah, it's got deep embossing in it as well, so that adds to the slip resistance factor.
So with LG, you've also got the LVT range.
We do. Our dryback LT is very exciting, besides the fact that it's so excellently well priced within the marketplace.
I can vouch for that.
It really is. We've got a residential one, which is your 2 mil thick with a 0.3 wear layer.
Yeah, yeah.
Beautiful decors. And then the commercial one, which is
Yeah.
the Symmetry range, which is also, it's basically all the standard wide. We don't do the wide planks as yet.
Yeah.
But the normal commercial one's got a 2.5 mil with a 0.55 commercial wear layer. So perfect for applications such as schools, corridors, halls, doctor's rooms, any high traffic area. Perfect application.
And like light retail, etc. as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Small
yeah, yeah.
boutique shops, that's a perfect application for that.
Okay. And with regards to traditional, I would expect that LG has great warranties and customer support.
Absolutely. Besides the good after-sale service that you get from me, LG offers 20 years on their residential and a 25 on their commercial.
Right, that's pretty strong.
It is.
Like, and you can imagine that you got your competitive products, which maybe are same price, a bit more expensive, slightly less on the warranties, and they are OEM brands, so it doesn't have the power of LG coming in behind it.
Exactly. LG is a very strong brand in terms of their flooring. You're welcome to go onto LG's website. They have a building and interior section where you can see everything. That even the topping of the Brights goes onto their fridges. It's the same coating that they use onto their fridges and washing machines.
Ah, that's interesting.
So that's awesome. So you can think about the longevity and the strength of those washing machines going over onto your flooring and how that's going to.
So you supply the professional trade. You do not supply the end consumer.
No, we do not.
But if anybody is looking for your product, they can ask their local retailer. So at the moment, you are national throughout South Africa. Are you venturing cross-border as yet?
Yes, we are. Definitely.
So Namibia, Botswana, Mozambique.
Our Johannesburg branches deal with that.
Yes.
There is designated people over there.
Yeah.
I'll be doing down in Cape Town, the Garden Route area, so up until PE, so we'll be having supply within those areas very soon.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much for your time and trouble for today. We'll put all of your contact details of the company below in the comments. And yeah, hopefully we'll do a little bit more on-site exploration of these products in upcoming vlogs.
Awesome. Thanks for your time, guys.
Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, hit the bell button, and if you want to know anything more about LG, likewise flooring, all the links are below in the description. And yeah, keep on supporting Flooring Africa. Your support means everything. Stay cool.